Toxicity risk assessment in medical devices is crucial to avoid critical risks, like material toxicity, degradation, and biological risks. ISO 10993, Part 1. Specifies requirements of toxicology risk assessment to minimize workplace hazards and conduct risk evaluations. Introducing TÜV SÜD's virtual interactive, instructor-led sessions on biocompatibility and toxicological risk assessment of medical devices. Our course, conducted by industry experts, provides a practical understanding of biocompatibility and toxicology through group work, case studies, and collaborative scenario-based discussions. Participants who successfully complete the course will earn a globally accepted certificate and gain capabilities to create biocompatibility testing strategies for medical devices. Enroll for our course today and begin your journey.